buthelelwa sichema sababikindaba be-SABC bangene kilomakhiwo sebagijima benzele ukuzihlola zizemoyeni nanzi izijutshileko.
The farmers here, they appreciated cheap labor. They pay the cheap labor.
They've been employed by the farmers because they employed them without papers.
Kuyaphithizela endaweni ngendawo lapho amaphandla kanamaphepha bamba ezibuyela emakhabo njengomana babekelwe bona lithi lichinga lakusasa babe sebangasekho enarheni le.
His family asked for privacy at this trying time, and there remains concerns regarding his continued safety and security going forward.
Umndeni kaMajor General Firoz Khan uzwakalise ukuthuka kakhulu ngokudunyuzwa kwakhe babantu abangazwako uthi sewandise nefikeleko lapho alele khona.
The 60,000 rands cash that I had with me was intended to pay people in Durban, in particular Mr. Samukuzwayo, to provide me with Transnet tracking information of the truck.
Ufakazi wanamhlanje komishinini kaMadlanga utshele komishini ngokuyozihlolisa emntwini amkhambako ngehlathululo ekhambisana nenkulungwana zamaranda.
Disappointing shame. But like I'm so proud of them, they played so well today. Our license, they played so well.
Oh, super proud. I'm very optimistic about like South African soccer as a whole.
Oba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesindebele noChani. Ungezelelekile umthamo wamapholisa ngaphakathi namagegane edolobha leThekwini esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal ngaphambi komtshakalo omkhulu wakusasa ukulwa namaphandla nganeno kongemthetho.
Amapholisa selathomile akhamba ahlola amabhizinisi ukuqinisekisa ukuthi amaphandle alapho anawo amaphepha wokuba selizweneli. Kanti amapholisa sele avale amabhizinisi amahlanu, abanye abanikazi bamabhizinisi bachingiswe esiteshini samapholisa okuyokuchukwa ngembuzo. Kutholakale nokuthi abanikazi bamabhizinisi abanye amaphemiti wabo eqelwe sikhathi kunye namaphepha wokuba selizweneli.
We won't stop working against the police because it is a day before a day that somebody announced that it's a deadline. We don't work with deadlines set by anybody else. We work with our intelligence, with our targets, and at the pace that we see that it fits and it's within our means.
Kwisithuba esingangenyanga kubanjwe imingcelele eyahlukeneyo kwiindawo ngeendawo eMpuma Koloni nalapho abahlali bebekhalazela abemi bangaphandle abangenazimpepha. Kwiveki ephelileyo idolophana iThornhill kumasipala iGqorha nayo ibibambe umngcelele.
Some of them, they are working on the farms and then they've been employed by the farmers. Although even those farmers, they must take a blame because they employed them without papers.
Kwinyanga ephelileyo abahlali base-Ado babambe umngcelele oya kwisikhululo samapolisa bekuthi thaca izikhalazo zabo zabemi bangaphandle abangenazimpepha.
The thing is, there's some of the people that are staying here in Valencia, they don't get the opportunity to get work, and the cheap labor goes like the farmers here, they appreciated cheap labor.
Amapolisa aza kuncediswa ngamajoni ukuqinisekisa ukhuseleko loluntu kunye nokugcina ucwangco ngomhla wange-30 kaJuni.
Abantu abaningi basakhulelwe zinhloko abakwazi emuva naphambili abanye banefalo kumasipalata weTshwane njengoba kusasa kulanga elibekwe ngongemthetho bona amaphandla nganamaphepha khambe eSouth Africa pha nanyana amanye amaphandle abonakale abuyela emakhabo kodwa nabanye bafunga babheja bathaba indawo umbikindaba we-SABC uNonhlanhla Ntshingila ukhulume nabanye babo bazokalisa lokhu.
Kagiso siyathokoza ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje so ukuthi utshele ukuthi kuhle yini into enifuna la manisuka la nifuna kube banenzele ini.
Okay, kahle kahle thina sihlalela nje ngomphakathi wasePitori eTshwane onke ama township asePitori Atteridgeville, Shanguve, Lotus everywhere sihlangane ngendaba la abantu abaphuma ngaphandle kahlala sesikhathele thina njengabahlali ukuthi labantu laba sebaqolela manje lapha endaweni zethu lapha khona amanye ama-building lapha bayahijekile kwenziwa into ezingekho emthethweni phakathi kulama building so thina njengomphakathi sithi sikhathele ngale mpilo lesiphilayo yokusabasaba sayiswa abantu bangaphandle sithi uhulumeni wethu makaphaka amasukume asincede kule mpisi esiyilwayo le ngoba thina khona manje asinamsebenzi asinandawo yokuhlala kodwa abantu abaphuma ngaphandle banemsebenzi bakhokhelwa kancane nje ama-building lawa bathathile khona ama-drugs idakamizwa esithengiswa kula ma-building so thina njengomphakathi sikhathele nje ingane zethu asayi esikolweni khona manje sihlala emakhoneni sibemala ama-drugs zenzani ziyatshontsha sitshontsha yini ama-cellphone ini iy'moto bayakuphi basilathela kule ama-illegal scrap yard wabo lapha ePitori West so thina njengomphakathi sithi sikhathele nje
alo ngiba utshele mina bonyana kuhle kuhle kusasa yini into yokwenzeka-ke nabanganiphenduliko iplan enayo khuyini
kusasa siyohlangana futhi eTshwane ePaul Kruger Church Square lapho siyohlangana kusonke siyakuphi siye Sunnyside no-go zone lebathi akungenwa lapha thina abantu omnyama abahlala la kuleli lizwe la so sifuna ukubona ukuthi labantu abaphuma ngaphandle bazosivimba na
Sithokoze Kagiso.
Ibandla ilawula imkhawulo iBorder Management Authority ithisandisiwe isibalo sabasebenzi emkhawulweni weBedbridge ukulandela isimemezelo sokubuyiselwa kwamaphandle ezikweni leMusina eLimpopo lokhu kunjengoba namazwe afana neZimbabwe araga nokubuyisela izakhamuzi zabo emuva ukulandela imchakalo eragako ephikisana namaphandle.
Nakale ebujayelekile esangweni lomkhawulo ongena eLibombo ophakathi kweMpumalanga neMozambique. Ibandla elilawula imkhawulo iBorder Management Authority lithi selikulungele ukuqalana nanyana ngibuphi ubujamo obungenzeka esangweni lomkhawulo lo ngaphambi kwemchakalo ehlele lokubanjwa ephikisana namaphandle anganamaphepha.
We are very ready. We have started with our planning since the 30th of April when there were some sort of challenges or protests that were planned from the Mozambican side. Then we started planning. So we continue with the planning and being prepared.
Nakusenjalo somkhandlu wezokuphepha komphakathi uJeki Masiye uvakatshele umkhawulo lo ukuyokuhlola ubujamo nokuthi ajame njani amalungiselelo. iBorder Management Authority ithi amahlelo akhamba ngefanelo kanti lilanga elifana nawo wonke amalanga.
Asicela umbono wakho mbukeli ngendaba yomchakalo wakusasa ukuchakalela amaphandle anganamaphepha wokuba selizweni ngokomthetho nokumbono wakho yalandela mbukeli.
Ngabe bona ube bayimi ngabe bayahamba bemazweni abo ngabe bekwazi ukuthi ena beyobheka noTalatiya lale ngakubo
mabaza ngomthetho abantu mayingabi kwavula zibhuqa njengakwamanye amazwe ayikho le nto
nami angiboni ukuthi ngingaba senarheni yabo nginganawo amaphepha afanele ukuthi ngibe lapho so abakhambe
sa itloba eletsatsi le re mafika bra tlo ba re tswile re swere megwanto ya khutso go bontsha mmuso gore nke o tse magato kgatlhanong le bafaladi ba ba se go molao
uma ngabe umuntu esendaweni engenayo imvume yokuba kulelo zwelelo kubalekile kakhulu abuyele ekhaya uthola imvume yokuba sezweni ekungelonela kubo
bayangirara abanye babo because bayatsho vele ukuthi bona ngeke bahambe
ngase ke sisuse nezikokheli sihwaphilizayo emandleni ke sifaka abantu abazaba ngamathandazo abazobeka phambili abemi boMzantsi Afrika
sinenkinga esinazo la eSouth Africa so siyabawa bonyana ke inkinga ezi sale nazo thina abanikazi bawo sikwazi ukuzilungisela izwe lethu
sifuna ukwazi ukuthi amaphandle angaphandle eSouth Africa mangaki
thina besithi bakhambe kahle ngokuthula baye emakhaya bayolungisa amaphepha wabo baza kubuya
abalungise bahambe kakuhle
kanti ke kuthiwa prevention is better than cure.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayikazokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. uTumelo Nku ekuthiwa batsho nguTapnana batsho wathi ngemva kokuyozihlolisa imlula mkhambako waveza bona nganikela ngehlathululo yokuphatha kwakhe imali 60,000 rands. Unkuthi batsho imali leyo kwangeyokubhadela umuntu osebenza kwa-Transnet eThekwini owayephethe imininingwana ethileko nanyana kunjalo insolo ziveza bona imali leyo kwangeyokubhadela amapholisa athola indakamizwa.
uTumelo Nku ubuyele phambi kwekomitjhini kaMadlanga ngemva kokuthi batsho asayokuhlola kanti ungezelele ngokuthi batsho i-60,000 rands ayeyiphethe esehlakalweni sobelelesi bendakamizwa wayeyiphathele ukubhadela abantu beThekwini khulukhulu umuntu ekuthiwa nguNomzana Zama Khuzwayo ukuthi batsho amnikele imininingwana yehlelo lokulandelela itraka kwa-Transnet.
I further confirm that the 60,000 rands cash that I had with me was intended to pay people in Durban, in particular Mr. Zama Khuzwayo, to provide me with Transnet tracking information of the truck. However, as explained earlier on, Mr. Khuzwayo couldn't get me the access to the tracking system. As a result, I did not pay him.
Unku akakaphumeleli ngombana kusalindeleke ukuthi abuye azokuqedelela ubufakazi bakhe ngelesithathu nangelesine. Nakusenjalo ulandelwe ngufokisi wangeqadi uPaul O'Sullivan obekethula ubufakazi mayelana nokuqatshelwa kwehlelo lezobulungiswa ngobelelesi obuhleliweko. Kanti uO'Sullivan uthi ubelelesi obuhleliweko akusiyo into etsha eSouth Africa pha kunye nakuLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
This is not a new phenomenon. It's been going on for very many years. Not only is it not new, but it will also be my evidence that General Mkhwanazi has known about the links between organized crime and the police for many years. It's not something he suddenly became aware of last year.
uO'Sullivan ungezelele ngezehlakalo ezimbalwa ezenzekako ezifaka hlangana uMajor General Feroz Khan wezobuhloli ngezobulelesi kanti ufake isingongoyilo esisola uKhan ngokuthi batsho usebenzisana nabantu abathengisa igwayi lomgunyathi. Ukulayela kwekomitjhini kuyaraga.
Asibuya entolo. Babuyile bentwana sebamasokana aboma bathabile ukubona abenda babo kuhle kuyafanelwa ngetrayini phasi kwadlawulana. Sisabakane indaba laphambukile nasekuphundileko uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Nambasikhambe. Umndeni wesikhulu samapholisa wezobuhloli esijanyisiweko uMajor General Feroz Khan uzokalise ukuthuka kakhulu ngokudunyuzwa kwakhe babantu abangaziwako abantu abamdumuzileko ebebakhamba ngekolo emhlophe bathe bangamdumuza babaleka bamchiya alimele khulu ukuyinselwe esibhedlela iMilpark Hospital eParktown. Umndeni uthi kwandiswa ivikeleko nesibhedlela lapho alele khona uKhan ubefuze bona ayokwethula ubufakazi ekomitjhinini kaMadlanga ngelesithathu.
Isathi bekube nje bengakabuba nomsola obotshwako.
It would be irresponsible to speculate on any possible motive or to draw conclusions about whether the attack is linked to his impending appearance.
We are all aware that General Khan is a highly decorated and long-standing senior member of the South African Police Services. He has been actively participating and preparing himself to testify and fully cooperate with the Madlanga Commission.
Imphathimandla sisazokuletha umhlahlandlela ukuthi kusuka lapha kuyiwapi.
For our part as the Commission, of course, General Khan is a key witness before the Commission, and his appearance is highly anticipated.
Kunethwenyeko ngevikeleko labofakazi kufanele bavele komtjhinini kaMadlanga.
I hope and pray that it has nothing to do with the Madlanga Commission. because we would want him to go to the commission and share with South Africa what actually happened. If it is related to the Madlanga Commission, I am sure the security of witnesses would have to be looked at, and all witnesses of the commission should actually surrender their freedom and go into the witness protection program.
Amapolisa asahlolisisa isandla esihlolwe incwajana etholwe endaweni yesehlakalo.
Umntwana wenkosi umbusi Mahlangu ekosini ngosomtchatshana kwaDlawulale eLimpopo uthi ukubambisana kwabo nohulumende kwenze zonke izinto zakhama ngefanelo njengoba nakho ke wonke amasokana amatsha ibekawele engomini yamaNdebele eDrayini kwaDlawulale eLimpopo. Amasokana amatsha la afika pheze ekulungwaneni kanti bekosini kusomtchatshana bawuthuke ngokuthi intanga yamaphaswana amahorha. Umbeki indaba we-SABC uComfort Masombuka beka lapho wasihlanganisela nakumbiko.
Lithena liphuma ilanga batheleka ngobuningi bavela endaweni ngendawo zakwaDlawulale beze ngeDrayini ekosini kosomtchatshana kwamaphepha eLimpopo bancamela ukuzokubona amasokana amatsha asola khambe nabo baba inyanga embili zonke. Bekunzima thu abantu hlanu kwesibaya sekosini kulindelwe bona avela amasokana amatsha. Kuthe kungasikade bavela bekosini bazokuthuka amasokana amatsha bebavunula ivunulo abo baba bamaNdebele baphethe ngambili babubula njengenyosi badosa phambili imbongo ekosini abeyibongelela amakhosi amadala.
Ngwana yekhethu eyajika emazweni aseduze yokuthi ayifishani ngezinyawo.
Ekosini bathuka amasokana amatsha ngokuthi intanga amaphaswana amahorha bafunga inyoni emhlophe. Kuthe kusenjalo saphuma isitimela.
Lokho kwesimaNdebele kwaDlawulale utsho lutho olukhulu kithi. Siyazikhakhazisa simaNdebele, sithoma ingoma lekuhle nezizwe nesitshaba namakhosi nombuso phakathi uMasipala Elas Motsoaledi nePICC neprovince.
Umeyara kaMasipalata eElas Motsoaledi uDavid Tladi uthokoza ukusebenzisana okuhle phakathi kwakahulumende namakhosi.
Seo se diragetse mo ke seo se re thabishago ka baka la gore re phetha sega ga borena. Ke rato lebogisha kgoro ya ga Mahlangu isikotlo sa somtchatshana gore bana ba sepetse ba phela ibile ba buile ba phela.
Masokana aphalele njalo achinga ngale kombundu agege emphakathini bekubuhle bodwa amalungu omphakathi amanye aheme magega nendlela. Kuthe ngemva kwalapho athoma alungiselela ukuya emakhaya ngokuhlukahlukana abuthana ngenqhema. Kulapho la kuvele khona ubugagu babo baphele baphalisana ngengoma kuChinyawo. Aboma bathokoza abaqedi baba uyihloniphe emasokaneni amatsha.
Emasokaneni amatsha ngiyababa abomrana nomrana ama babuyele esikolweni. Isikolo yinto yokuthoma neyokugcina nawungakafundi awuyi ndawo ngempilo. Ababuyele esikolweni bahloniphe njengoba nabahlo kade basihlonipha.
Bathe nabaphuma ekosini bachinga emzini ngokuhlukahlukana. Abanye bebakhamba ngenyawo, abanye bakhamba ngenithuthi. Sifike nesichema sokuthoma ngedindela babamukele ngekambiso yakhona.
Samari mutang sakolin rap baca pajera bang kolam ram pacaran gifuzu ko ngopom kan tu saubli was ko kuna thom bat bopunya zako zikini zitingom sana mono to tese nyana ngiziko ngongo ngileng buzu ko kutelula onto kan samara marima ngise pondo lokosene lila ngasnara wonga mkokoromba nangambalo ngile pondo lokosi lituvuwa msana moto pondonga kwa kambe na buba
eJerusalem nakhona sifikile waba ngisweso abosobesa bebaphele bavuke emadlaruma bathambe kuthinta kuboya beporiyana nebentende.
Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngisedindela kwaDlawulale eLimpopo.
Ngesimali lantala ehlile nalenganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu.
Siyathokoza Bongwe loshane ekhaya ngomvulo asiqalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu livalile ngejingalanga yenaha yeSewula Africa amathuba nge30% kusuka lapha ke endaweni zabo Richards Bay uchinge lapha eDurban umthatha igqebeha nangale ke ngendaweni zeGeorge ngapha ngeGauteng silibona khona ke livulile nangale ngejingalanga Kapa nasithi siyaqala ke kusasa lisavalile ke endaweni ezingapha ngeSewula kanti amathuba wezulu godi ngapha ngemthatha iDurban iRichards Bay nembombela nge30% abeka singako amathuba wezulu esiwatholileko silemukiso ke lesi esisitholileko umoya nakya osuka ngeCape Town uze ngapha ngeGeorge owenza bona ilwandle libe bukhali kanti ke nangapha kunomoya emkhawulweni walapha kwaZulu Natal nesifundeni sangaleke ngeFreystata kanti ke endaweni zalapha bo Vryheid kulapho kuzaba khona nomoya eGauteng nasiqala amazinga okuchisa kusasa iPitori pholile iBroncosspruit nge21 iJohannesburg ngayimakhazana pheze imini yonke abantu bambathe bafuthumele kuseni khona ke kumakhaza kwamambala iLimpopo leya kusasa ifuthumele endaweni eziningi ngemva kwamadina sekusekuseni lapho bomkopane ngakumakhazana nge9 degrees Celsius iphulukwane neTzaneen zona ke zipholile ngemva kwamadina lapha kusempumalanga kufuthumele sikhukhuza kuthi ke ezinye indawo kupholile ngemva kwamadina lapha eErmelo sibona ngakumakhazana pheze imini yonke yenibathe nifuthumele kuseni khona kumakhaza iKwaZulu Natal imakhaza ke endaweni eziningi khulukhulu lapha eKokstad nge13 nje kwaphela ngemva kwamadina iPietermaritzburg nge16 Mnambithi pholile ngemva kwamadina nge20 degrees Celsius lapha ke ePumalanga Kapa kumakhaza isifunda sonke abantu bambathe bafuthumele imini yonke nangaleke ngejingalanga Kapa kumakhaza imini yonke isifunda sonke batha ufuthumele eCape Town nakathi aphezulu i15 nje kwaphela kukulapha ke eNorthern Cape lapho sibona khona nakhona indaweni eziningi kumakhaza eUppington eKurumane neKimberley kubuya nganeno kupholile ngemva kwamadina iSutherland 12 nje ngemva kwamadina kuseFreystata ke lapha ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi indawo ezifana nabo Bothaville Kroonstad Bethlehem khona ke kubuya nganeno Garibdem kumakhaza imini yonke 16 ngemva kwamadina lapha ke kusechingalanga Kapa busuku nekuseni kumakhaza Rustenburg ibuya nganeno neMahikeng ngemva kwamadina zipholile lapha eTosca kufuthumele nge25 degrees Celsius akube isikhathi esilandelako dido
Sithuleke msibona igodukile ngetrayini nanzi inthombe zamanyenengene yenhlamba amehlo sasazikhona zesiswati kanti ngesimbi yekhomba kulandela zesisulu Kiukhubongile